Income tax in Jamaica is not guesswork. It follows a clear formula. Let's walk through it using the current real numbers. As it stands, the annual income tax threshold in Jamaica is $1,799,376. You do not pay income tax on the first $1,799,376 you earn in a year. Let's convert that into a monthly amount. 1,799,376 divided by 12 months equals $149,948 per month. This amount is tax-free. Now imagine you earn $250,000 per month. The first $149,948 is not taxed. Only the remaining $100,052 is taxable. Income tax is charged at 25%. So $100,052 multiplied by 25% equals $25,013. Notice something important? You are not paying 25% of $250,000. You are paying 25% only on the amount above the threshold. Now let's look at a fortnightly example. There are 26 pay periods in a year. $1,799,376 divided by 26 equals approximately $69,207 per fortnight. If you earn $120,000 per fortnight, the first $69,207 is tax-free. Only $50,793 is taxable. 25% of $50,793 equals approximately $12,698 in income tax. If your annual income exceeds $6 million, the portion above that amount is taxed at 30%, but the structure remains the same. The Ministry of Finance has indicated that a further increase in the income tax threshold will take effect in April 2026. When that happens, your tax-free portion will increase. Stay tuned to this channel for updates once the change takes effect. Income tax is structured. It is predictable. And when you understand the formula, your payslip makes sense. But income tax is only one deduction. In the next video, we'll break down education tax, what it is, how it's calculated, and why it appears on your payslip. So you understand every dollar that leaves your salary. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.